it to the end. We're on for card 6 on my all occasion stamper stack. I'm Julie Sutcliffe and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK, and we are going to make card number 6, which is this little fold it out card. It's just scored at one side in half again. You need half a sheet of A4 for this, so I've cut a piece of garden green again. You should have 2 sheets of garden green left for these last 4 cards that you're doing. So you need to cut one in half, put it in landscape and cut it in half at 14.8 and a sniff, and then we're going to put this in here. And first things first, we're going to score at 10.5, and then we're going to move this along and we're going to score at 5.25, so in between 5.2 and 5.3. And if you have the metric plate on the scoreboard, that measurement should be there. And then what we're going to do is that's going to go back like that. All right. Then we're going to take this piece of card paper. I keep doing that. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to cut some from the top, and I'm going to cut it down to 14.3. So I'm cutting a bit of the sky off, okay? And then I'm going to cut at 4.7. All right. So make sure it's in your trimmer properly. So that's one. And then another one at 4.7 centimetres. Okay. And then I'm actually going to leave that one. I'm doing this one a bit differently to my original design. Okay. So I'll show you why. Let me just, so those two are going to go there like that. And then this piece isn't divided at the back, it's just one solid piece. Now that's going to go there. And I am hoping that you have some narrow strips left over from your cutting of white like I did. And I'm going to cut this down to 14.8 and a sniff. Yep. Like that. So you need 4 of those. And then I am hoping, I did this so I could do it just without sending another sheet of A4. That's going to go there. And I'm hoping that that will fit. Oh, it shouldn't be 14.8. It should be 14.3. Apologies. So this is what's left over when I cut my pieces of white down. But I'm hoping that that will sit there. And then that will sit there like that. And we've used the whole width of the paper. Now, if you don't have it left over, that measures 4 centimetres. So I'm gonna stick it down and show you. I'm gonna stick them all down. But I will show you what to do if you want to do it like my original design. I'll show you the measurements that you need. It's going to go there like that. And then that one is going to go there. Like that, and then hopefully that should fit in there. And now it's very narrow, that, okay, obviously. When you fold that over, you see, you will see a bit of that, and I like that. It's very, very narrow, and I'm going to see if any of my stamps fit in there. Oh, yes. I think the thank you will fit in. Is that thank you? Yeah. Oh, no, hang on. Just a note. It's not a thank you. So let's do thank you. Haven't used this one yet. Ta-da! I hope you've enjoyed the cards today. Sorry, the lighting's it is getting a bit dark outside when I filmed this last video. So apologies for that. And it might be better without my lamp on. Hang on, let me see. Oh, no. There we go. So, oh, look, it just fits. Oh, that's no good. Should we use the emergency side? Not only did I get some ghosting, but it was wonky. And that's even wonkier, but we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Look, I'm human. I'm human. And that's just going to go there like that. And ta-da, like that. Then you'll have to write quite small. But that goes over there like that. And then we get to use the whole of the paper, yeah? The whole of the piece like that. And I quite like that. So that was the original one. It was actually, I used a different piece. Oh, I didn't show you what it looked like on the other side to help you, did I? So if you're watching and then doing it again, it's like that really dark colour on the back. So it's that piece. But I just felt like I wanted to use the whole piece, and how could I? So we've done that, and we've got a really narrow, and then that's going to go there like that. Yeah. If you want to, you could add a piece on the back as well to do some chit chat. Well, my goodness me, you hopefully should have done 24 cards. Well, I made the first 4, didn't I? I did 4. The first ones, because it was as easy to do all 4, which was this one this morning. So let's take a look. And obviously, you should have lots of papers left. Lots of papers left. Now, the papers are still available. They are still available on my online store. And the description, the link is in the video description. So please do leave me a comment on these videos. I love to see what people say on YouTube, and I do try wherever possible to reply. Please do like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of when I've uploaded new videos. I would love that. And I will be doing another one of these stamper stacks in the springtime. And I do hope that you can join me for that. I love doing these. They've been really popular. So I will be doing another one in the spring. So that's been less than 10 minutes for card number 6. Here we go again. And here are all my makes. And I can't wait to see what you share. Thank you for all your support. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.